Okay, and welcome to Can Do Kiwi. Let's see if this super cheap auto motorcycle stand is any good. The box is pretty crappy, it's been squashed. I asked the counter to make sure that I had all the parts in here. They said it looks as though it does, but we'll assemble it now and see what the story is. The wrapping as a pre-opened item is not too spectacular. The book is still here. A box of screws is still here unopened, but the other portions have been unwrapped. So let's put it all together and see if it can actually lift my motorcycle. Only one bag of screws. Hopefully that's all that's needed. It's pretty self-explanatory really. More warnings and warranty information than anything else. Looks to be only one size setting. 3 screws lining up with the 3 screws at slightly different spacing, so it can only go in one place, obviously.